Everyone, are you going camping or you just need something to elevate your sleep away from home? Well, this is a self-inflating sleeping pad featuring 3.1 inches thick of memory foam. It comes in this very plain box, which I'm assuming it will never be able to fit in again once fully inflated. Inside we get a brief instructions manual, the compressed pad, and what looks to be the carrying bag that you can put it in after it's been inflated, and 2 elastic straps to keep it in place once it's rolled up. So because this is a self-inflating pad, it does have 2 valves here that you want to open to let it self-inflate. The first time you inflate it by itself, it's going to take several minutes. In fact, I kind of just left it on its own for about 20 minutes because midway through about maybe 5 minutes, it was still not fully inflated, as you can see here. It was still a little bit wrinkly at 5 minutes with both valves open, but again, after leaving it on its own for maybe about 20 minutes, this is how it looked like fully inflated. At this fully inflated size, it measures at 77 inches long by 27 inches wide by 3.1 inches thick. Now you just need to close both of the valves and you're ready to use it. So even though it took quite a long time for it to first inflate, but after you first inflate it and deflate it, it will reinflate itself much faster. Now, how do you take this down? Well, you do need to open one of the valves and then just kind of start rolling up the pad and then push down on the open valve to let the air out. You should hear that hissing noise with the air being released from the valve. Now, the instructions have a little bit different procedure, but it really didn't work, so I would just recommend following the steps I'm displaying here on the screen, which is again opening one of the valves, apply your body pressure against the pad so that there's air pressure buildup against the valve, then simply press down on the open valve to release the air. Then you want to close the valve again to build up more pressure against that air valve, and then open it again, and again repeat the step of pressing down on the air valve while applying your body pressure against the rolled up pad. Then finally close that open valve and go ahead and roll up the pad fully. Use the 2 elastic straps to hold down the pad in the rolled position. Slip it into its carrying pouch here. There is a drawstring to close it, and then there you go. So this was just an unboxing and first look video. I have yet to test it out in the wild, but I definitely do intend to do so. Definitely subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. If you're interested in this product, I'll have it in the description as usual. Thanks for watching.